Here's a bunch of units over by the university campus. I might get a phone, but we'll see. I just see a bunch of carriers. Where's that one? This one's one. Yeah, it's just a bunch of these carriers. I don't know if there's a way to like get past here. There's cameras, but like I'm trying to take a shortcut over there. Over there. This one's pretty noisy. No, it's not this one that's noisy. 2013, I believe. This one is noisy. 2018. It has a very small scale compressor. Cold brand, I think. Here's a... What the heck? What is this? I-Air? This looks like it could be an off-brand train or something. Let's see, where's the data? Yeah, the serial number is faded out. There's another one here. Is that a rotary? This one has a rotary. Interesting. Let's see what brand this is. Can't tell. There's a window there. Maybe it's in the house. There's a good one. Getting the data. There's a train. American Standard, I mean. And this has an aligned scroll. Let's see that. No, I can't. It doesn't have data in it. There's a new train. This one's not running. There's a fat scroll. This one's running. 2007. But it has a aligned scroll compressor. There was a person out there earlier, but now I don't see them. Oh, that one's running. Wait, it sounds like it has a recip in it. This one is not running. Wait, no, maybe it's not this one. Or is it? No, it's not this one. Carrier Gemini. No, this one has a very tall scroll compressor. Oh, it's the Goodman that's running. This one sounds amazing. I'm gonna check it here. 2013, I believe. And then there are these two carriers. That one sounds amazing. Yeah. So there are these units. Wait a minute. It sounds like our Tech 2000 right after it turned on. It must have just started up. $2019? I'm not sure. That one sounds amazing. That one sounds beautiful. But yeah. Most of these have scrolls, except for that one back there that had a reciprocating. And then there was the other building. Yeah, I'm gonna check out those units over there. Something really noisy, but yeah. 2018 American Standards. I think this is the same. It's a 2016 Train XR. And the carrier base model, it has a sound blanket. None of these ones are running though. There's a bunch of units over here as well. I'm gonna go to those later. I hear a loud fan. It's a good one. There's a scroll compressor. There's some resonance. This one has a recip. The data is faded. It has been running. I could try for a startup, but I don't know if I have time. There's this carrier from 2023, I believe. That one sounds nice. I think, oh, there's some carriers there. I heard this weird thing. What the hell? What is that noise? I don't know what that noise is. Kind of creepy. But I'll just go around. I don't really want to like wait for a startup, because I believe there was, I think I heard this like camera thing that said like you are being recorded. There's a little Goodman over there. Some more Goodmans. There's a new Goodman. I think this has a rotary compressor, but it has a sound blanket. This has a scroll. This one, I think, also has a scroll. The compressor is sweaty. It has been running. Here's a big fat run true. Like probably the biggest one I've ever seen. And this is massive. It's so sweaty and stuff. 2023. This might be like a 5-ton or something, but it's huge. That has a very sweaty compressor right there. Oh shit. Landslides. Here's another new Goodman. This has a scroll, but Emerson Copeland. This looks like a brand new one actually, but I'm not gonna get the data. I don't feel like going there. You know what can happen. This one also has a scroll, but yeah, none of these are running right now. I'm gonna try to find that place that has like all those old units that I found on Google Maps. Okay, here we have a bunch of units at this commercial area, and I'm not even sure what. Let's see, what do we got here? This is one big ass coal mine. And the Lennox. But this has a Carlisle scroll in it. This is huge. 2021 Train XR. Oh, that's cool. Here's a root and wow, that's not good. This one's all frozen up. Look at that. It's starting to rain. This is like the biggest Coleman I've ever seen. There's a Liebert. Yeah, what are these? Some Carrier Geminis. I have no idea what this is though. Yeah, look, let's see. We have these Liebert things. Lots of carriers, some Lennoxes. There's a Lennox package unit over here. I'm gonna take a closer look at that one. Look at that big ass generator here. Wow. Here's a road. Here's a sidewalk. Okay, good. Yeah, what is this? Oh, this one's running. Yeah, look at all these. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this thing is. There's some older Tech 2000s here. Wait, no, these are not Tech 2000s. These are like giant. I don't know what kind of compressor that has. It might be a scroll though. Yeah, these are like old BDPs or something. I think there's more units in the back of this building. Oh, one of these is very loud. I think it's this. Oh, maybe it's that Liebert over there. Yeah, that one wasn't running before. I have no idea what those are, if they're like chillers or air conditioners. But there are some more units on this side of the building. And I think that might be it for this building. What? The Goodmans were like that way. Okay, here we have a airflow. Look at that old Lennox. I don't think I can get to it, because there's like this gate thing here. There's Carrier base models. There's a Nordine. Yeah. Let's see if I can even get to these ones. I just want to see this Lennox in there. I I can't get to them. They're like behind the bushes. So I think that is all for this place.